Hello everyone, and welcome to my RPG VX RPG Maker VX Ace tutorial. And I just made a little small map here, with you see the basic things, and we're not actually going to use these because look, there is nothing around this. So for the first, you press right click, map properties, with the tile set, exterior. I don't know if I actually got this with it or not, but if you don't have it, look it up on Google, search why can't I have exterior thingy imaginally. Yes, that's a true word, by the way. So you see now you have lots of different things to choose off, like barrels and crucifix and signs. But anyway, we're going to start off with making a basic little island. So you see here's water. You can't stand in that unless you have a boat. So here you see an island. If you go, here's A, it's basically just like buildings, rocks, water, sand, land thingies. And you're going to be, and there's all these shops and windows, barrels, trees, blade, yeah, those tents, telts, I don't know, ladders, ropes, wines, all the things you can imagine. So we're going to start off by basically doing a little island with just some trees, and that's it. And I'm going to show you basic events. So we got a little island here, so we're going to decorate it. What are we going to put here? Maybe we're going to put a sign there. And this is I got into a little hasty there. So look, pretty flowers, maybe flowers there, tree. You can decorate it however you want. I'm not just doing it for you have to do this because poop says so. I'm just doing a easy little island with some trees and so. And if you're wondering how to do these doubles, you actually drag like this and then drag onto it. But if you use one, it's just going to be that. So, and barrel, ugh, disappoint me. Just over that. And yeah, I've actually created this. So I'm going to show you basically the events section. And on the sea, just going into, there's roofs, castles, statues, and flags, citadels. I know what they are called. Sorry, I'm not English, so I'm not from England, British, London, USA. No, not fat. I'm not from the USA. Sorry if I offended you there because you're from USA. But anyway, let's go into this sign. You put, you see up here this events F6. So you just press F6 on your keyboard or just press it. And you double click on what you're going to get. So name, sign. You see here switches. I'm going to go into those later. And maybe the content. You see here there's not any scripting if you don't want to do it yourself here. So you just maybe show text. There's nothing on. There's nothing on this sign. Oh, sign. There's nothing on this sign. And you preview it. It's going to look like that. So if you want a normal background, maybe a dim background, looks like that. Transparent, looks like that. I'm just going to go to the normal window and position, maybe middle. It's just going to go in the middle of the screen, but that's not what you want right now. There's nothing on this sign. And maybe put some, you double click So if I didn't say that, double click this, and now you can choose show choices. You maybe go dust off the sign. Then just like, okay, walk away. So there we have a basic event, and when cancel, disallow cancel, because we're going to cancel it. And yeah, when dust off the sign, now you see some text on the sign. It reads, wait, it reads, correct grammar there, you're gay. So yeah, that's just some easy things. So we're going to test this, and I'm going to show you the test. And the volume, I'm actually going to tools, database. And if you want to edit your tile sets, look here, because this is exterior, and here you can edit what's a bush and what's not, what's a level, what's you can pass. The crosses are what you can't pass, what you can't go into, but these round rings, circles, are what you can go into. So that's pretty useful. Animations, I don't actually know anything about this. The parties, if you want to have friends with you, you can choose there. But I'm just going to go. Oh, where was I going to go? Actually, I was going to go to, yeah, change the sound, because I don't want any sound on right now. Apply. So you see, save changes to tutorial YouTube. Yes, because you don't want to play on an empty field. So it's going to start off in a minute here. Tutorial YouTube. I muted the sound as I said. And new game. You see here, we got the island. We can't walk through these. That's a problem, I think. With this barrel, we can't do anything. You press enter for the action button. And you see the sign. Oh, it doesn't work. Oh yeah, because wait a minute. So if your sign doesn't work like that, just close down the window. You will see this. I'm on Swedish, so oh, actually, that ruined anything. The Swedish language. So you go into this, and you see below characters, same as characters. I think that doesn't fix it actually. So yikes. Just copy the event page and just I don't actually know what to do here, because I thought it would work. I'm really got it started with this, and I'm really getting good at it, but I don't know why it doesn't work. Is it only with doors? No, it doesn't work. So the solution is to go into double click and then go into same as character. You see here, there's nothing on the sign. Why did I point on my screen when you can't literally see that? So dust off the sign. That so if you walk away, it just doesn't do nothing, and there's nothing on the sign. Dust away. Now you see some text on the sign. It reads you are gay, and then he gets offended and then beats everyone up. But yeah, that's basically some basic events. I'm going to make one single thing, and that will be like talking. Not actually talking to the screen, but no, I said wrong. Basic, actually some harder events to do. So we're going to create a new map. Just exterior, and yes, and you see it starts with this, and you can't change that. So, oh, actually, that might be a problem. Let's just do the starting point here later. So, just going to cover this with grass. Just gonna make. Oh, why is that sand? I'm sorry. I'm not really in the best thing today because I'm real tired. It's a Friday night at I don't know what to call it, 10 a.m. and I'm actually really tired because I've been yeah, working out. No, but I know I'm real tired. I'm just going to add some water here because it makes me safe. Feel safe. Doesn't make me safe. You can really fall into the water and die. But yeah, safe enough. So I heard people need to learn basic events. So I didn't see many tutorials on YouTube except one guy. He's really good. He teach me a lot. I don't remember your name, but I will put it in a annotation somewhere on the video, probably up here. So you see now, I'm actually going. No, I can't zoom in. Well, that's a pity. So you see now, you can just put a event here. You'll name him Steve, because Steve is going to be a Stevie guy thingy. And he's going to be a dog. Why, I don't know, but he will be a dog. Yes, it's a beautiful little dog. And you see here, I'm actually going to put down this first. So, animal, cat, cute little catty. So you see, like this. You see if Steve is going to show some text to us when we click on him. So it's going to show. You see that cat over there. I really like her. Can you please say that? Oh, can you say that to her? Oh, here. Can you say that to here? Yes, here. We can say that here. And you have your choices. Sorry if I go. Yeah. Yeah. Why not? Why not let flowers? I hate this move. Choice. Hell no. So yeah, why not? You activate. I'm going actually to show you the cat first. You see this cat? Well, it's a beautiful cat. Oh no. Okay. So before we talk to that dog, she's gonna say hi. Just hi, because preview, yeah, it's hi, basically. So now press new event page. You see a new event page pops up, and you press switch, and then just press switch. We're going to go back to the dog now, the Steve the dog, and see, why not? You then press on the first page control switches and switch single 001. You can name this, by the way, so if you want to call it Steve's Operation Tango or something like that, you can name that then, and you click OK. So now when we press yeah, why not, the switch goes off to on and off to on. The switch goes to on, and that makes I'm going to show you later, and he says great. So you see now the cat now here's Steve's operation. Press the switch and you can read here, sets as a condition of the specified switch being on. Switches remain either on or off throughout the game. If you don't understand that, well, I don't either, so that's not a problem. So you immediately have a choice, tell her or don't tell her. And when you see tell her, you Hero, we'll just call him Hero, and you see that dog over there, he told me he likes you. Cat. Well, and I'm actually going to show you one single thing before doing this. I'm going actually to test this before. Yes, I'm going to save changes to tutorial YouTube. And you see now, no interesting in, but you, shit, I forgot to set the starting point to this map. I'm sorry, guys. Yeah, avbryt, cancel, basically. Come on, close now. So, and you right click, set a starting position player, and now you can test. Yes. So, while we wait, just to talk about my channel. Well, that didn't go so well. My channel is, yes, down there. If you want to check it out, I put 1080p videos. 180, I know what they call it, 1080p videos on every about 3 videos a week. I'm sorry I haven't posted lately, but I've been sick. So look, now the cat says hi and it doesn't say anything else, but when you go over to the dog, talk to it. You see that cat over there? I really like her. Can you say that to her? Oh, hell no. And it does nothing. So you see that cat over there? I really like her. Can you say that to her? Yeah, why not? Great. And now I'm going to walk on the stone because I'm fancy, but the cat randomly disappears. Yeah, that's a bug. I'm going to fix that. It's that dog over here. He told me he likes you. And then, well, so I'm going to fix that. If it does that to you, that happened while I was making another map, so it's not hard to fix that. It's just I screwed up really bad. Graphics. I actually thought of this, but I thought it would work. So yeah. And now, well, and we're going to show you a little. Yeah, the dog isn't going to be so happy about this. Walk left, 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 left. And then just, okay. Cat. Personally, I don't know if I spelled that right. I'm sure everyone is ripping their hair off. And yeah, that's a easy scene for something. And yes, we're going to save changes. And if this doesn't work, then just I guess it's just a bug because I don't know. Actually, I didn't get it to work last, so it didn't move. I don't know. Yeah, why not? Great. So it didn't move, but it works if the dot just staying still. And tell her, yes, you see the dog over here? He told me he likes you. Then well, oh, it works. Yes. Then go over to him and then, bitch, if you like me, tell me personally. And then it just stays there. And yeah, that's a simple basic event. And if you don't want this later coming on, check my other videos. So yeah, bye.